Here's a list of 200 common English phrases for beginners to help improve your conversation skills. Part 1. Greetings and introductions. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Zara.
My name is Zara.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm 60 years old.
I'm 60 years old.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
I'm from America.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Yes, a little.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I work as an assistant.
I work as an assistant.
How's it going?
How's it going?
Part 2. Common questions. What is this?
What is this?
What is that?
What is that?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
Can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that?
What time is it?
What time is it?
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Are you married?
Are you married?
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
What's your hobby?
What's your hobby?
How do you say in English?
How do you say in English?
Can you speak slowly?
Can you speak slowly?
Part 3. Basic responses. Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Please.
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
No problem.
No problem.
That's okay.
That's okay.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I understand.
I understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Of course.
Of course.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
I think so.
I think so.
I hope so.
I hope so.
I agree.
I agree.
I disagree.
I disagree. Part 4. Everyday phrases.
What's up? What's up? See you later. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Take care. Take care. Good luck. Good luck. Congratulations. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Can I have this? Can I have this? Can I help you? Can I help you? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm sad. I'm sick. I'm sick. Part 5. At home. Where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? Where is the bedroom? Where is the bedroom? Where is the living room? Where is the living room? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Do you want something to eat? Do you want something to eat? Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Wake up. Wake up. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? I need to clean. I need to clean. Let's cook. Let's cook. Let's eat. Let's eat. Do you need help? Do you need help? Can you pass me the remote? Can you pass me the remote? Where is the remote? Where is the remote? I'm home. I'm home. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. See you soon. See you soon. Part 6. Shopping. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? How much is this? How much is this? I'd like to buy this. I'd like to buy this. Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Do you accept cash? Do you accept cash? Where is the checkout? Where is the checkout? Can I get a receipt? Can I get a receipt? Do you have a bag? Do you have a bag? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Can I return this? Can I return this? What are your store hours? What are your store hours? Do you have this in stock? Do you have this in stock? Can you order this for me? Can you order this for me? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Where can I find book? Where can I find book? Can I see that? Can I see that? Is this available? Is this available? How does this look? How does this look? Part 7. Travel and directions. Where is the nearest hotel? Where is the nearest hotel? How do I get to hotel? How do I get to hotel? Is it far from here? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? What's the address? What's the address? How long does it take to get there? How long does it take to get there? Is there a bus stop nearby? Is there a bus stop nearby? How much is a ticket to place? How much is a ticket to place? What time does the train leave? What time does the train leave? What time does the bus arrive? What time does the bus arrive? Can I have a timetable? Can I have a timetable? Where is the taxi stand? Where is the taxi stand? How much is the fare? How much is the fare? Can you take me to place? Can you take me to place? How long will it take? How long will it take? Do I need to change trains? Do I need to change trains? Is this the right bus for place? Is this the right bus for place? Where is the entrance? Where is the entrance? Where is the exit? Where is the exit? Is there a parking lot? Is there a parking lot? Part 8. Dining out. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? I'd like to order. I'd like to order. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? I'll have dish. I'll have dish. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? I'm allergic to ingredient. I'm allergic to ingredient. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay now? Can I pay now? Is service included? Is service included? Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? What are today's specials? What are today's specials? Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? Is there a kids menu? Is there a kids menu? Can I have some water? Can I have some water? Can I have a napkin? Can I have a napkin? Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy? I'd like a table for number. I'd like a table for number. Can we sit over there? Can we sit over there? What's the soup of the day? What's the soup of the day? Can I get a refill? Can I get a refill? Part 9. Emergency and health. Call the police. Call the police. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. Where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? I'm hurt. I'm hurt. It's an emergency. It's an emergency. Can you help me? Can you help me? I feel sick. I feel sick. I need a prescription. I need a prescription. Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? Is there a clinic nearby? Is there a clinic nearby? I need medical attention. I need medical attention. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. I have a cold. I have a cold. I need some rest. I need some rest. Where is the nearest doctor? Where is the nearest doctor? Can I see a nurse? Can I see a nurse? What should I do? What should I do? Part 10. Miscellaneous. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's hot today. It's hot today. It's cold today. It's cold today. It's raining. It's raining. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's windy. It's snowing. It's snowing. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm free. I'm free. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Can you wait a moment? Can you wait a moment? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Let's go. Let's go. Let's stay. Let's stay. I like this. I like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. That's interesting. That's interesting. These phrases cover a wide range of everyday situations and are a great starting point for practicing English conversation.